Hey everyone, people have been asking what are the passive income opportunities in cryptocurrency. I'm here to just leave them out for you. As time goes on, or if you go down some of the videos that we made, you see that we've actually listed them out. Okay, so this passive income opportunity does not, most of them don't need an actual skill set. Some of them is actually beginners friendly as long as you can use social media, just like you're able to use TikTok, you're able to use Telegram, X account. So let me start in no particular order. Yeah, buying and holding crypto is still a golden opportunity for to make money in crypto. You can still buy and hold crypto. Knowing what to buy, knowing how to buy is just another criteria that one has to learn how to do. Then the next passive income opportunity in crypto right now is by creating content. Either you're creating content on X, which is considered like a social media for crypto, or you're creating content on TikTok or YouTube. So when you create content, you're able to earn passive income, you're able to spot out opportunities and then make entries. Then the next one is by doing crypto jobs. There are a lot of crypto jobs available both for developer, non-developer, whether they have idea about coding or not coding. These crypto jobs pays as much as $80 per week, about $3,000 per week. They are not definitely varies. So you get crypto jobs to manage the Telegram channels, which entails you managing, making sure there's no spam on the Telegram group, and so many more. So much more. So now you could also have crypto jobs to manage a Twitter account, that's an X account. Get crypto jobs to do a whole lot of this, to make a marketing plan, to be an influencer. You don't need so much followers. As much as maybe 10 followers, 100 followers or something on X can get you crypto jobs. All you need to do is just to set up a profile the right way, make sure you are active and you are outspoken, and then you apply through the right resources and route. So you can go through 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 apply for crypto job and how to apply, even on X, how to find them and get them. So the ones that are also good and that income opportunity is being an ambassador for projects. There are also projects out there you can apply for ambassadorial position where you get to represent them out there. This project to your account, your X account, and then you tweet about them, write about them from time to time. They are ready to pay as much as $300 per week just for being their ambassador. You have their title, their name in your bio, and then you're always talking about them. They don't care how much followers you have. In fact, the more followers you have, the better. But most times, most of them don't really care how much followers you have. They just care how active you are on the platform they want you to be. So, airdrop, number 5. Airdrop is still a golden opportunity for one to make money. All right, people are making 1,000, 7,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300. The amount varies for different projects that get listed. Every day you see any project listed on Binance or on Bybit or on any other exchange, just know that someone somewhere has profited a lot from airdrop from that project. So you always want to participate in airdrop projects. So if you want to get number one information about airdrop or something, you can go to 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗘.com. I'll put the link in the front screen, and then this other website you can also see these details is 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥𝗓.com. All right, 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗡. I'll put the exact about 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗡.io, so you go there and you see different airdrops in their different categories. Okay, that's a whole lot on its own, and most of them cost 0 fees to get started with. All right, so Trading, spot trading. Spot trading is not as difficult as derivative trading, which is trading, spot trading or derivative trading. So these two ways you will actually, trade crypto. The spot money market is going to rise or fall. You're able to trade it, and it's not that difficult like people make it seems. Once you understand the basic parameters, then you are good to go. Good to go. Spot trading, you don't have to buy and hold the token for a short period of time, and then you are able to profit from the little increment. If the token decides to go down a little, you can hold on a little longer. When it comes back up, you profit from it. Or alternatively, when the token goes down a little, if you have some more money, you can DCA into it. That you can apply the strategy called dollar cost averaging. So if it goes down, you buy a little. If it goes up, you buy a little, till you get the desired amount of profit you want before you exit the market. Alright, so beside all of that, you will also earn passive income, rendering services to people, becoming a freelancer. Those of you that are into Web2 designing, you're into graphic designing, you manage an account for other Web2 projects, you do Web2 marketing and all of that. You can actually diversify into Web3 and be able to participate and then in a whole lot. So you as well run Node. Now, how to run Node? You run Node. Running Node requires knowledge of coding. There are several projects out there that require running of Node, contributing to the ecosystem, and then you are rewarded in the token, and this reward can be huge. Although running Node requires knowledge of coding, and that's where this website called 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 has come into play. They are actually here to actually, mitigate that gap of being able to run the node on code with code, right? So it's just a one-click platform where you can run your node without encountering any form of coding. They manage the node. You don't have to buy VPS. You don't have to buy any proxy. Everything is just a click through. And you can use, there's a code display. The website is displayed on this screen. And there's a code also displayed right here on the screen for a 5% off, of whatever node that is available on their platform that you want to run. So make sure you use that. I've also done some review on 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥.com, so you should check it out. Alright, so now I've mentioned some ways you can make money in crypto. If you're in like an environment where people don't understand crypto but they just want to buy and hold crypto, you can become a local vendor, buy and sell crypto, and you give them a particular price. When they pay you the money, you buy at the subsidiary price, and then you are able to profit from buying and selling for people that don't know how crypto actually operates. You could actually also teach courses, teach physical lessons, and still profit, make money from crypto. So these and many other ways that I cannot cover in this video. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, thank you for sticking around, thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.